Good morning, children. Today in our science class, we are going to learn about birds. Chapter 14, page 39. Birds are large group of animals adapted for flight. That means they can fly. All birds have two legs, wings, feathers, a beak and a tail. Birds are some of the most colorful animals on the planet. They lay eggs. Birds can be found everywhere in the world, from the freezing Antarctica to hot deserts. Birds eat different types of food. Some eat insects, some eat fish, and some eat seeds, fruits, or nectar. Most birds fly, but not all of them. Birds like penguins use their wings to swim instead. Other birds like ostrich don't need to fly because they can run so fast. Still others, like peacock, can fly only up to a certain height. Some of the common birds we see around us are sparrow, crow, parrot, pigeon, owl, etc. Other birds that we can see in the zoo or in different places are ostrich, woodpecker, kingfisher, etc. Children, do you know bee hummingbird is the smallest bird? An ostrich is the largest living bird. Parrots can learn and mimic human speech. Mimic means nakal utarna. Quail and myna are the birds that can sing sweetly. Now, I hope you all are aware of what birds are. Do the activity given in page 40. That's all for today. Thank you.